Here are your purple power words. Who? W-H-O, W-H-O. That spells who, that spells who. W-H-O, W-H-O. That spells who, that spells who. Why? W-H-Y, W-H-Y. That spells why, that spells why. W-H-Y, W-H-Y. That spells why, that spells why. Come. I come here, I come there, I spell come C-O-M-E with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. I spell come C-O-M-E. Here I go, I spell here H-E-R-E with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. I spell here H-E-R-E. Lots. Lots of this, lots of that. I spell lots L-O-T-S with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. I spell lots L-O-T-S. They go here, they go there. I spell they T-H-E-Y with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. I spell they T-H-E-Y. Want. I want this, I want that. I spell want W-A-N-T with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. I spell want W-A-N-T. Went. I went here, I went there. I spell went W-E-N-T with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. I spell went W-E-N-T. There. T-H-E-R-E there. T-H-E-R-E there. T-H-E-R-E there. T-H-E-R-E there. Where? W-H-E-R-E. W-H-E-R-E. That's how you spell where. W-H-E-R-E.